you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the delightful Life Box. You want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this box just came. I'm going to assume this is for July because we're in the very beginning of July. Last month's box was not so great. So when I saw this today, I was like, oh, joy. Joy, joy, joy. Let's go ahead and see if this is any better. And I really, really hope that it is. Now, for you that do not know, if you didn't watch last month's box, Delightful Life Box, they have two different subscription boxes. They have the Petite for $29.99, and you get 3 to 5 products carefully curated to bring delight to your day. Last month's box did not really bring any delight to my day. Then they have the Delightful Life Box Premium, is what I paid for, which is $39.99, and it's 5 to 7 designed and 5 to 7 items. So let's go ahead and see. You can use the code DELIGHT to save 10% off your first month-to-month subscription. Now, last month's box, if you didn't see it, there was a pair of glasses, or even if you did see it, the pair of glasses broke. As soon as I went to open them to even put them on my face, it snapped. So I got a hold of them. They said they wanted to send me a new pair, and I'm like, you know what? Honestly, I don't even want another pair because they're so cheaply made. I was completely honest with them. I'm like, these are so cheaply made that I wouldn't even wear them if you did replace them with the same exact product because they're just flat out cheaply made. I'm sorry. I can't say anything else about it. They literally responded saying, yes, you are right. I'm like, are you serious? I mean, I know I'm right, but for the company to be like, yep, you're right. They are cheap glasses. Apparently they use the bulk of the items supposedly on the hat and something else they said, but either way, they wanted to send me something completely different. I'm like, you can wait until I get my box and ship it then so you don't have to spend more shipping. I'm totally okay with that. They're like, nope, we want to send you something immediately. So they did. So what they sent me was a completely different item. And I think this is actually kind of cute. It says, life is beautiful. And there's that. And it's an actual book of different Post-it notes. So it says, it's a good day for a good day. And there's a big, like, you know, good size Post-it note. There's a good size Post-it note, and then all of these are all little individual ones. So it's a little book of Post-it notes, which I think that is really cute. But to send me a book of paper to replace the glasses, that definitely does tell you how cheap the glasses were. So let's go ahead and dive into this box, you guys. And I'm hoping for a better box. I'm hoping for a better box, you guys. So let's go ahead and see what we have this time. And I think there's something here and here. Okay, wish me luck. You ready? So it is in tissue paper with their sticker. I like their colors. I like their logo, the packaging and stuff like that. It's just, yeah, July theme, lovely luncheon. I really hope it's better. So there is the card. They do not give pricing or anything on there. Let's just see what's on here because the words that I'm seeing is there's a basket. There's a basket with flowers in my box. Like, do you see that? What in the world? What did I get into when I bought this box, you guys? Like, what the, oh my, what the is going on? Let me tell you. What the, what is this supposed, why, please tell me it's not supposed to just look like this. Because the stem is just sticking up like this. Like, what? Why? Why is there a stem just like shoved in there like that? Like, seriously, what is wrong with these people? And then it's just like a cheap, oh my good God. Okay. Okay, I don't know what okay, berry basket. With this simple farmhouse style, this metal woven basket is the perfect fit for your decor. Whether it graces your table or finds a home on the shelf, you're sure to find many uses for it. But why the hell did you just put a piece of thing and just shove it in here and think that that's cute? That is not cute. Why? Okay, this is like, you know, a couple dollar basket, and I'm sure this you can find at the dollar store because I don't even buy cheap flowers like this. I go to Michael's. All right, I'm done. There's one. I don't know about this shit right here. Okay. This was inside that basket. I'm afraid. I'm afraid. Like, what? How is this supposed to bring joy? Like this little tiny basket? I'm not gonna put a little tiny basket on my table. It's just, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. A bird. Okay. A bird. A bird. It just says bird. This little ceramic and metal bird will keep you company. Gonna keep me company. Is this shit gonna start singing to me? Because if it's not gonna talk to me, how in the hell is it gonna keep me company? Really? Oh my gosh, this is gonna keep you company whether you choose to use it, wherever you choose to use it. We think it looks just right setting besides the berry basket. Oh my gosh, okay. All right. What else do we have in here? We have, this looks like a milk jug, which you can get at the dollar store. Is that what this is? Yes, okay. Am I supposed to put the damn flowers inside here? Milk bottle, vase, and flower. So then why are you gonna tie up the flower inside the basket? And then what? It's all, woohoo! What in the world? What? Seriously. Seriously. I mean, you already have it all twangled up because it was in the basket. Now you're supposed to make it go straight to put it in the vase? Like, are you serious right now? Oh my gosh. I really hope I only did 3 months of this company because I'm not going to reorder. Let me just tell you. Add your tablescape with this milk bottle, vase, and flower. Real flowers would be even better. Yeah, then you shouldn't have put this thing in here. But they don't ship too well. This doesn't either. So we'll leave those up to you. Your vase can also be used for a holder for your straws. Oh my gosh. All right, what's the last no. Okay, so here's straws. Here's some straws. Paper straws, a fun assortment of paper straws for you and your guests. Since your napkin came in a variety of patterns, we thought the straws should too. So we have napkins. That must be what this is. You guys, I'm so sorry that I brought this box. At least I can bring this box to you guys and you can be like, oh, I'm staying away. Staying away. A set of 4 napkins. Set of napkins. This pretty set of 100% cotton napkins took our eye with their delightful patterns of flowers and checks. What a cute addition to any table. Machine wash cold, gently cycle, tumble dry, wash before using. Lovely luncheon. Celebrate summer with a delightful luncheon. This month, we've included some paper items to get you in the mood for entertaining family or friends. You'll be relaxing on the patio or pretending you are in no time. No, I'm not. Like, these, I'm sure you guys are going to tell me you can probably find at some low dollar store, not necessarily the dollar store, but you guys always help me out and tell me where most of the stuff is. This is a 4-pack of napkins. Okay, no problem. This little tiny bird, I know does not cost a lot. My mom literally has, I think, 2 kind of, hers are way cuter, but she has something that looks similar, not with these funky little feet, but either way, This is cute because it reminds me of my mom. That's the only thing that I'm liking so far. This little sprig of flowers is ridiculous. This is not, I know flowers. I used to own a flower shop. I do floral arrangements. This is just a cheap flower. This is from the dollar store. I'm pretty much sure that this came from the dollar store. You can find these milk bottles anywhere. Doesn't even have the lid. You can find these anywhere. These little paper straws are not even expensive, and this little tiny basket I'm sure is a dollar store. So I don't know why I'm spending $40 on dollar store items. The only thing that I think is not a dollar store item is this, but at the very, very most, what, $5? I mean, there's no way. Like, oh my goodness, like, it did not get any better. It did not get any better. So I honestly cannot wait for next month to come and go, because I think I only did 3 months. Please, please, please do not do 6 months. I really hope I didn't. But I don't know. You guys, let me know. I get tons of boxes to bring to you guys, and I only want to bring good boxes to show you. This is not a good box. I mean, seriously. What do you guys think? This literally, and then they have it all wrapped and twirled up in the thing. Like, why? Why? I'm not. Why? This is a little tiny basket. Like, what are you supposed to put in here? I'm done. Comment down below, you guys. You let me know what you think of this box. Do you think it's worth $40? Because I don't. I don't at all. And I'm really sorry that I thought I was gonna bring something really cool to you. Last month, last month was horrible. This month is not far from it. I just can't wait to get next month over. So Delightful Life box can go, I don't know where, but this is just, I don't know. This is not, I don't think this is cute. And I'm not gonna tell you guys that this is really cute and go and buy it, because I'm regretting buying it and paying for this myself. I don't think this is worth $40. Not at all. Not at all. So I'm sorry, you guys, but at least now you know what to stay away from, right? At least that's a positive thing. I can save you guys $40 if nothing else. So just comment down below. Let me know how you think. I mean, your positive interaction with me means the world. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate you to stick around and see the other videos that I load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.